Hi everyone, that's Dorota Palicka, International Nail Artist and Educator here, and today I have prepared another beautiful design for you. Have a preview of it in here. It is an absolutely easy to recreate and I hope you really like to learn this technique as well. So let's start. Today we are going to do super quick and easy, also beautiful designs with the blooming gel. I'm going to use for a background 220 wave after wave, and it's a really nice pastel blue color. I thought I want to do it with the background so it is more interesting. So I'm just painting the background and then give it a cure. I want to do all of them exactly the same, and we will just use different colors for the design. I also like the fact that this blue has an amazing coverage for such a pastel color. And another one. They are super quick and easy designs for a salon, and there is no limitation in what you can achieve with these designs. And then give it a cook. I'm curing gel polish at 60 seconds. The blooming gel I will cure 60 seconds as well, so that's the one which we are going to use. On my mixing palette I'm going to put some colors, and this is going to be a Sugar Rush, which is a 200 color. I'll just put some Sugar Rush in there. I also want to use the Turquoise After 8 202. I think these two colors looks cool together. And maybe let's do some yellow. And I've got two different yellows. 198. This one is a little bit brighter. And maybe some blue. Why not? Okay, I'll see what colors I will use. So in order to do the blooming gel designs, we need to apply the blooming gel all over. And then we can start painting. So just put this blooming gel all over. And then using the brush, we will paint the first design. So this is going to be wee rose. I'm starting with a swirly part. And then around the swirls, I'm just doing a blob, which I drag it in. What is amazing that the gel will spread the design and will create a really beautiful flower there. And then on the bottom, another one. It's best to start painting with those blob, because then you can just drag it from the both sides. So one blob, and then drag it. And you can see it how beautifully the rose is spreading there. We can also add some green leaves. And again, I'm just painting like a wee blob, and the gel will spread it into the design for us. Wait for it till you're really happy, and then you can give it a cure. So I'm just going to wait a couple seconds longer, and then I can cure it. On this one, we are going to go more abstract. So just apply the blooming gel. And now using a turquoise color, we will paint some sort of leaves just by dragging the product. Okay, so I've got the blob on my brush, and I'm just touching this blob, and it spreads the design for me. Okay, so we have painted like a form of the leaves. Wait for it to spread. And then once you're happy, we will be able to cure it. I'm going to leave it so it spreads a little bit more. Okay, blooming gel on this one. It's actually fun to create those designs because each time it will spread slightly different, so you can see it. We've got a really beautiful design in there. I can give it a cure. And on this one, I'm going to use the dotting tool. So we are going to apply some purple, just a dots with the purple. Clean it, pick up yellow. This is super quick and easy design. Clean it. And then using the dotting tool, we are going to do the motion, which looks like this. So drag it. Clean it. And this way we're mixing both of the colors, but also at the same time they are nicely spreading because of the blooming gel. And I want to add some green into it. So it will almost looks like a wee leaves. So this way we have created another quick and interesting pattern. Wait for it to spread a little bit more and then we can cure it. And I will show you also one more. So let me just put the top coat on the first design. This rose looks amazing actually. So apply the top coat. As you can see it, we have created already 3 designs and they are so super quick. Okay, give it a cure. Okay, the next, so this one I'm happy with it now. You can see it. It looks so beautiful and I can give it a cure. And this one is going to be also super quick and I think it's just a perfect time of the year to do this kind of design. So we are going to apply the blue. Give it a cure. I'm going to apply the top coat over this one. Or actually not, we are going to do 2 blooming designs, why not? So I'm just going to apply another blooming gel. And we will do just like a wee tiny roses. Or maybe not roses, let's do flowers. Let's do flowers, so you've got something different, guys. So I'm going to paint 4 petals flowers. And look what is happening, it's amazing. Just by doing dots. Okay, wait for it to spread and you can see it, what amazing flowers we are getting there. Going to help this one so it's quicker. You can also drag them a little bit. Okay, that's me happy with the flowers. Give them a cure. And this one is ready as well, so a blooming gel. And then we will use some white. So it's 173. Where are you? So 173. And the dotting tool again. Actually, you could do all the designs with the dotting tool for a blooming gel. And what we are going to do is we will just place some dots. So some bigger ones inside. And then on the other side some smaller ones, and look how nicely the product starts to spread. This is always super cool, especially for summer designs. Like you can do some mermaid effect. You could use it also for some beach designs, like with the sand as well, so you've got those cool look. Okay, just by doing the dots, like, it looks amazing actually. Wait for it to spread even more. Like, obviously the longer you wait, the bigger spread you will get. Oh, it's so fun to create those kind of designs. Couple seconds longer, and then I'm happy with it. Okay, here, if we want to be really, really fussy, we can just paint some small white or even yellow dots inside those flowers. And then give it a flash cure. Okay, let's take out the first design which we have created. Oh no, that's not the first one. This one needs the top coat. We used to paint those kind of designs in the preschool, like learning all different patterns. And I think they actually awesome, those preschool patterns for a blooming gel. So whichever you have learned in there, you can use it to create some interesting designs. This one can be top coated too. Almost like a wee jungle design. We could do some pattern on top of it even to enhance it more. I'm actually just thinking maybe I should do it. See, that's the thing. Once you start doing something, you're getting another ideas. I might do it. I will do it, guys, because I think it will look really interesting. Or maybe not. Cameraman is laughing at me. My head is just buzzing. Like, I've got so many different ideas. Okay, this one is completely ready. And I can place it there. So that's the rose which we have created. This one is ready too. We abstract design. And so does this one. I should do those three couple leaves in there. And the last one. I like to show you guys different possibilities with the different products. So that's what you can create it with the blooming gel. Nice and summery designs, and also very, very quick. I'm sending you lots of glittery hacks, and bye.